be taking a look at is PHOT. Again, guys, this is one that we've went through so many times. We went through this one right here on September 30th, okay? And it got outside that lower Bollinger Band. I'm just going to recap over this one because I'm going to look through to see the last time we did it, but we've done it once or twice between here. So anybody that watches our live streams on investorshangout.com/live, okay? You would have watched this video if you followed our live streams. You would have seen when we were talking about here, and it just exploded 2 days later. The next day, boom, 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 and the thing just started running, pulled back a little bit, and just kept on going. You're coming off of the 0065 area and making a run all the way up to the 0188 area. And I'm not trying to just say, oh, well, we're going to call this one 3 months out in advance. No, that's nonsense, because I always say we're short term. We're looking at short term. What can you make a short term trade on? 10.7. Okay, it hit a high of 0198. That was just 4 days later. I mean, you had a more comfortable spot over here hitting a high of 016. All right, that's an easy double in 3 days. So where we're at now, that's what we're going to talk about. PHOT, we got to put that one on a hold now. I'm going to look back here and see the last time we looked over this one, but congratulations to this stock contest entry from 9. The user alias 9, stock pick PHOT 0093, now at 0116. Don't worry about these numbers. These numbers are basically from the beginning of the contest to where it's at now. It's not current. Joe updates this post every single night. So tonight you'll get the new numbers. PHOT, you've got a gap going again, and that's what we like to look at here. So you got a gap between here. The pressure is still on here. Okay, so we've seen these things just keep on going. For me personally, I'm going to put a hold until 0115. Joe, can you add anything to this one?
No, there hasn't been anything new since the last time we went over it.
Okay, so I'm going to 0126. I'm going to put this one on.
When was the last time we went over it?
Well, the last time... I'm looking through my list, guys. So everybody that's listening to this for the first time, I'm going through real quick. I'm going to see if I can pin it down to find out when it was, but PHOT. I don't see it, Joe.
Yeah, because the only thing I'm seeing here was there's a Form D from December 1st. But other than that, I mean, November 14th, there was a 10Q. November 15th, there was a 10QA. So that's all I have right there. But
all right, so we went over this one. 0082 on the 7th. All right, so okay, we went over this one right here, right where that line is. This red line. I want to add what I said here on 0082 on 12/7. 0082, it could go up if 009 falls and 2030. All right. So again, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days later. That's out of my term. Okay. I like to keep it short term. I can't take credit for this right here. What just happened. But I mean, I basically said it had to go through that 20, and it did. It did a week and a half later. It got up to that 20 day. Started taking off from there. So we did cover it, Joe. 12/7 was the date on that.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right. All right. I'm just adding my note here. All right. So if you follow PHOT, if you know anything about this one, whatever the case might be, head over to investorshangout.com and let us know. All right. I mean, me and Joe could be missing something. You might know something that we don't, whatever the case might be. If you disagree, we'd love to hear back from you. So head over to Investors Hangout. Let us know. That is stock ticker symbol PHOT.
Well, the thousands of other people that are sitting there on the site.
Yeah. Get it out there. So yeah, exactly. We might not be able to answer you, but there's plenty of people on there to help you out. Stock ticker symbol PHOT.